Okay. So, good day everyone. We are the group 5 and today we will be presenting the results of our activity entitled Browser Battle Royale, the ultimate browser showdown. So, in this activity po, we focus on a comparison between two popular web browser, which is Chrome as our chosen browser and Microsoft Edge as the competitor. So the goal of this test po is to evaluate their performance based on speed, resource usage, privacy and security, ease of use and customization, and also overall user experience. So by conducting this browser testing po using commonly accessed website, we were able to gather data and analyze which browser performs better in a real-world academic setting. So first, um, let me explain kung ano yung differences nila sa speed test. Though we tested Chrome and Microsoft Edge using common websites such as the YouTube, Wikipedia, and the Gmail load time. So both browser naman po showed almost identical loading times with pages loading between 1 to 3 seconds. Because of this po, we can say that both browsers are equal in terms of speed.
So next po is resource usage. In test area naman, tinest namin yung CPU percentage and memory usage. So kay Chrome, yung CPU percentage niya nagre-range siya sa 0.1 to 0.2%. Then si Edge naman, nagre-range siya sa 0.1 to 0.2. So bali sila, parehas lang. Then in terms naman sa memory usage, si Chrome ay around 900 MB yung nagagamit niya, while si Edge naman mas mababa, which is 700 MB. So ayun lang po sa resources usage.
So now for privacy and security, they're safe to use, which is the Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge. Next for safe browsing at Smart Screen, may tumutulong mag-protect laban sa malicious websites at downloads. For tracker protections, may basic protection yung Chrome, habang ang Microsoft Edge ay mas may advanced options tulad ng balance and strict, kaya mas kontrolado ng user yung privacy. Pagdating sa cookies controls, pareha din silang complete ang Chrome at Edge, kaya pwedeng i-manage ng user yung cookies para sa mas secure na browsing. And last, for ease of use, parehang madaling gamitin yung dalawa, pero mas user-friendly yung Edge, lalo na para sa mga beginners.
So for the fourth table po, which is the customization. Customization means is how much you can change and personalize the browser. And dito po sa tables, both Chrome and Edge are the same. So you can change the themes, the color or the background of the browser. You can also add an extension and sync data across other devices. New tab customization means is pwede siyang i-customize ng bagong tab. And for the last is sync for the data across devices. So both browser are marked yes.
So for compatibility and UI naman is we tested 3 websites, Google Docs, YouTube, and NSView portal. So para dito naman is halos parehas lang or parehas lang yung pinagkaiba ng dalawang browser, which is Google Chrome and Edge. Halos same lang siya ng visual appearance and accessibility. Bakit nga ba? Kasi yung Chrome and Edge is built around the same engine, which is the Chromium engine nga. And for the issues, there are none since halos parehas lang sila, identical. Then, para sa akin is, ayun nga, sa pagiging same nila is hindi ka magkakamali kung anong browser man ang gamitin mo.
And para naman po sa letter C, sa data analysis and discussion, the data shows that Google Chrome and Microsoft Edge perform similarly in terms of speed, usability, and customization. Then both browsers loaded websites at the same speed and offered easy-to-use interface with complete customization features. Then in terms naman po sa security and privacy, Edge performed better due to its stronger tracking prevention options, which pinoprovide ni user with more control over their online privacy. Then, sa kadagdagan naman po, ang Edge naman po ay use less memory compared sa Chrome, making it more efficient for the system performance. Then for overall, while both browsers deliver reliable performance, Microsoft Edge had a slight advantage because of better privacy features and lower resource usage.
So, in great question, we have the question of which browser perform best overall and why. So, sa dalawang tinest namin na website, so yung Edge is performs slightly better overall because it uses less memory and offers stronger tracking prevention compared to Chrome. So, for the number two question, which browser offered more privacy controls option? So, Edge offered more privacy controls due to its tracking prevention modes. So, for the number three question, were there noticeable differences in how website appear or behave? So, wala namang nakitang noticeable differences. So, lahat naman ng website is nag-upload and behave at the same time. Same both browser. And for the number four question, which browser would you recommend for students, professionals, or developers? So for students, we can recommend the Chrome. Yeah, for professionals, we can recommend the Edge. Then for the developers, we can recommend the bot, which is the Chrome and Edge. And that's all for our presentation. Thank you.